Hi, everyone. All right, so this week we're going to be learning about forces. So, we're going to learn that there are two different types of forces. There are contact forces, and those are going to be the forces where two objects actually touch each other. Then we're going to have another set of forces called non contact forces. Those are forces in which the objects aren't touching, but you can sort of feel that they're there. That would be like gravity or two magnets, how they push and pull, and you can feel it, but you can't see that force happening. Electricity would be another example of a non contact force. A force is going to be anything that's a push or a pull. And things move when the forces are unbalanced. When one side is stronger than the other, then an object will move. If the two sides are exactly the same, then an object's not going to go anywhere. You can think about when two different groups of people play tug of war. If they're both pulling with the same amount of strength, then no team's going to win. But if one team is pulling stronger, the other team is going to be pulled and they're going to lose the game. So, what we're going to do this week is actually all centering around a brain pop video called Forces. So, what I want to do is walk you through this lesson for the week. So, you can see my computer screen here. I'm going to go ahead and open up the assignment. So, when you are in your, I'm going to go ahead and go to your main screen. Okay, it looks like this. When you come in next week, this assignment will be at the top. It's not at the top right now, but it will be at the top when you come in. Actually, I'm going to go ahead and look for the assignment. There it is. You open up the assignment, and this is what it looks like this week. So, there are directions for what you're going to do each day. You're going to need to open up this document right here, Brain Pop Forces document. Now remember, you're going to click on that document. It's going to ask you what you want to do with it, and you want to save it somewhere on your computer. And there it is. Once you've saved it, you can go into this document and you can type into it. You can change the color of the font that you're using, and you can type. Okay, this same document is going to be used all week this week. Here's Monday and Tuesday. The challenge is going to be for Wednesday and Thursday, and the quiz is going to be on Friday. You could do this entire assignment in one day if you choose. I have broken it up throughout the week though, so it's up to you how you would like to do it. But do not submit until you have completed all three parts of the assignment. Once you've gotten it completed, you'll just do a file, save as, and then you can upload it. Now it's not going to let me save it right now because I already have that document saved. Okay, so let's go back into Canvas so I can show you. Right here is the link to the video. It's the same login and password that we've used all year. So it is Chagrin Falls and Intermediate. So once you get in, it will look like this. Okay, so here is where you watch the movie. That's Monday and Tuesday, fill in the notes. Wednesday and Thursday, you're going to go right here to the challenge. If you go into the review challenge, there are going to be 4 different things that are here. I'm only asking you about number 3 and number 4. Okay, so you're going to do 1 and 2, but I'm only asking you about 3 and 4. And what you do is you just drag things over. I'm not putting these in the right spot necessarily. And it'll say check your answer, and it'll say nope, and it'll tell you which ones you got wrong, and you can actually try to change them. and move them around until you get it correct. So that's for Wednesday and Thursday. On Friday, you're going to go here and take the quiz. And you're going to record your answers as you go and then write down your overall score. So hopefully this helps you get an idea of what you're doing for this week. If at any time you have any questions, you don't understand anything, you can always reach me by Remind. You can reach me through the inbox of Canvas. You can reach me by email, billy.dollins@browardschools.com. Any of those different ways will work. So hopefully you're doing well this week. Hopefully you had a nice Passover or Easter if you celebrate. And we'll see each other hopefully again soon. Take care. Bye-bye.